Alright guys, welcome back to the videos. I'm your host Nick, and today we are going to be upgrading from the GTR. Alright, good enough. That was not loud at all. Alright you guys, we just showed up to this Ultra Car Wash season opener meet thing, and my car got shit on, so we're leaving. No, I'm just kidding. There's a lot of, no offense to people, there's some nice cars here, but there's a lot of everyday traffic, and it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I don't have any friends, so me and Kaylee are ripping it alone, and yeah, there was no one here that we knew, so I was hoping there would be. Boys, I don't know where the Edmonton boys are at, but they should be out. It's a fucking gorgeous night. By the time they see this, it'll be like 2 weeks later, but yeah. So we're out of here. Posted up at hopefully a decent spot. I want to try and get some photos of this thing with the sun. Oh yeah, we picked a good spot. Kaylee, you picked the perfect tree. We can get the sunlight shining right through the branches. Trying to get sun photos with the tree in the background, and oh, it might be poking out soon. Booty and the beast. What we are actually doing today, like you guys saw, is we posted up at that meet for a little bit. We just had a little bit of a photo shoot session, and now we're just gonna go cruising around and hopefully find some more meets to hit up. I don't know how many there are. I'm leaking. It's hot as hell. Like, I don't know why the AC's not on. Why do I sweat so much?
You didn't turn it on.
Oh, well now it's on. There we go. Anyway, we're gonna go cruising around and see what's going on in the city. I feel like there's not gonna be a lot, but we'll find out. Time to send it. That's illegal. Not in Mexico, which is where we are. God damn. Honey, I got the groceries. Fridge filling deliciousness. Look at that. That's gonna be great. We got the variety. So this is the control module for the Starlight kit. This is where the lights come from and stuff, and obviously the fiber optic cable. We put all these red dots on the headliner because that's where we marked out our all 450 spots for all 450 fiber optic pieces. And yeah, we just finished poking them with these little baby drill bits. And yeah, I don't know, Jacob really likes looking at that.
You tell me there's 400 pieces in here.
450 to be
450.
exact. Yep. Look at this. By the way, it is really hot today. It's like 30 degrees and it's humid. So we're over here sweating in the garage because what else would you do when it's nice out? I mean, obviously we're going to work in this dirty, hot garage and do an install on my car. So I don't even know what else to say. Where do we go from here? Oh, dude, that looks crazy. That's just the light shining through, yeah. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process, and then obviously in the end if it works or not, because this is our first time doing it.
It will work.
It will work. It's gonna work. 100% it's gonna work, but I like to be a little skeptical because this is stressful, man. Look at my interior right now. I ripped out my whole interior. I'm installing a Starlight kit in my roof that I've never done before. I've never seen before. But we're doing it, and it's gonna be fun, and it's gonna turn out well. So, right, Kaylee? I hope so. What are you doing with that? So for anyone who wants to do this themselves, just think this. Do you want to take 10 years off the life of your back? Because if your headliner does not come out the door without damaging it like this one, I ain't trying to fold my headliner in half and create a bunch of creases. That's why it's obviously in the car. Then the only other option would be doing it inside like we are, and it is brutal. I've heard people take the windshield out but I ain't trying to spend like $400 having the windshield removed and put back in just for a mod that costs like $180. So we're doing it like this. It's been probably, how long has it been? It's been a long time. We are 50-ish% done with the hole not the hole poking, with the fiber optic feeding, and then we still have to do all the hot gluing, and then the cutting once we put the headliner back in, and then put all the trim in, and yeah. And we still have to wire the power in. It's not a short process. I'll be surprised if we actually finish all tonight. I feel like we're gonna die before we do it, but
Fuck no, it's
we want to
getting
get
done
it
tonight.
done. We want to get it done. We want to see this finished, but we'll see how the old backs are feeling. What do you think?
I'm hyped.
It's time to hot glue, boys. I'm gonna sit here and watch my friend do all the work. Bam! Lights.
Yeah.
It's the easiest way to do it. Find yourself a Jacob. Whoa! Oh my god.
Yeah?
Yo.
Bro, do you want to see something? Oh, yo, can you hear me?
Dude, that is
Look at
insane.
this. Look at this. 12 hours of work, buddy. Woo!
Dude, that is nuts.
What's it powered to?
We ran it.
Powered it to my automatic
So you
mirror
know,
sensor.
yeah, your rear view mirror, and your car's is auto dimming. So we wired it to that, because that gets power when the car turns on and powers off when the car turns off.
Oh, dude, the purple looks insane.
Yeah, it has a remote and it has an app.
Oh, it looks blue on the camera.
Bro, literally like 12 hours.
Thumbs up the video if you think this is worth the 11 hours of work. Thumbs it down if you want to pay respects for my back. Wait, no. Thumbs up again if you want to pay respects for my back. I don't want you thumbs down in the video, but I feel like an old man right now. But bro, don't thumbs down the video.
No,
No.
no.
See, I'm a good neighbor. I close the garage door to start the car when it's midnight. Sheesh, bro. Wow, I can't get over that. Really want to be outside the car when I start it?
No. That's fun. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I feel bad. I'm sorry, everybody. Sorry for flexing the Starlight. The next day, the storm doesn't want to stop. There is a potential for hail today, so time to put the GTR in the garage. Can't get over that. Alright you guys, thanks for tuning in to another video, and I appreciate everybody who sticks around to the end of these things because I do know that watch time plays a big part in the channel growing, so shout out to you guys for doing that. I hope you enjoyed the Starlight install video. I know it wasn't super in-depth and I mentioned that I wasn't going to do that, but it was still fun to make, and honestly, if you plan on doing this mod to your car, I say just dive in and do it because I was kind of worried about it being like a pretty big task, I guess. Even though, I don't know, now that I think of it, I don't know why I was worried about doing it, other than the fact that it's super tedious and takes a long time. It's really not that bad. So the kit's cheap enough. it's worth putting in the hours to do it yourself. So grab a friend like Jacob and yeah, just jump on it and do it if you want to do it. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload.